What's going on, guys? It's JC Tech and Finance here. You may have heard about the Samsung Freestyle projector over the last few months, but here's why I chose the XGIMI Elfin over the Samsung Freestyle projector. It just isn't worth the price. You can get 90% of the features of the Samsung Freestyle for 60-something% of the cost. More about the XGIMI Elfin and why I chose it after this. Welcome back. Now let's start with the unboxing. So as you can see, it comes in a totally white box, very nondescript. So in the box, you have this rectangular shaped device. It sort of looks like a Mac Mini or a router. The front has a lens and an IR receiver. The back has a USB port, a power button, an HDMI port, audio output, and the power connection right here. The bottom has ventilation, a tripod thread, which provides extra mounting opportunities, and 3 rubber legs. Let's put this to the side. When I open the box further, you see that we have the power cord, the user guide, the power brick, and the remote. Let's put this to the side. Okay, so let's talk about a few main features of the XGIMI Elfin projector. This is a great projector for travel at just under 2 pounds, just like the Samsung Freestyle. It is petite at 7.5 inches times 7.6 inches times 1.98 inches. You can use it at home, in your backyard, or movie nights at your friend's house. Screen size, well, it can range from 30 inches up to about 200 inches. There is some pixelation at the larger sizes, but the optimal large size for this is about 120 inches. Brightness, well, the XGIMI projector is a 1080p projector, just like the Samsung Freestyle, but it is capable of up to 800 lumens, which is more than 3 times the amount of lumens that the Samsung Freestyle projector is. This produces a great picture in a dark room, but in a bright room it may not produce as great of a picture as you might like. Also, because the light source is LED based, the lifespan of the lamp is scheduled to be 25,000 hours to 30,000 hours. Regarding the picture, well, it's capable of low latency and very good refresh rates at about 27 milliseconds, which is slightly better than the refresh rate for the Samsung Freestyle of 43.2 milliseconds. It has MENC motion compensation, which makes videos smoother, makes videos clearer and less blurry. It has intelligent obstacle avoidance. It detects objects in the projection area and scales the image to avoid it. It has intelligent screen alignment. It matches the projected image with your screen automatically. It has auto keystone correction, which uses a 4-point auto keystone, which automatically aligns the image based on plus or minus 40-degree vertical horizontal angles. It also has great autofocusing capability. And one of the killer features that this has is that it supports high dynamic range, 10 plus. Even though the Elfin is a 1080p projector, it can accept 4K HDR video signal via the single HDMI port. This feature provides more detail in the shadows and the bright areas and delivers more saturated lifelike colors. Finally, the projector supports 3D viewing via XGIMI's Active Shutter 3D glasses. Next, general software. The Elfin is powered by Android TV 10.0, which provides 5,000 plus native apps, ranging from Disney to Amazon Prime to Hulu. Users can play video games or stream directly from the Android TV interface. Although one unfortunate fact is that, like most Android TV equipped projectors, video on Netflix can't be streamed directly. And this is one thing that the Samsung Freestyle has that unfortunately this doesn't. It has access to the Netflix app natively. Another feature is that the Elfin can be voice controlled using Google Assistant via the microphone built into the remote. Note that the voice assistant is activated using the only colored button on the remote. And one more added feature that the remote has is that it can control an Apple TV, turn it on or off by using the inbuilt technology. Sound-wise, it has two 3-watt Harman Kardon speakers compared to the one 5-watt speaker that the Samsung Freestyle has. The Elfin speakers include DTS and Dolby audio technology, which provides for cinematic surround sound. General features of the XGIMI Elfin. It has a fast boot up time of only 6 seconds. It has Bluetooth 5.0. And while both the Samsung Lifestyle and the XGIMI Elfin have quiet fans, the XGIMI Elfin's fan is just a tad bit more quiet. Next, let's talk a bit about the negatives that the XGIMI Elfin has. One, there's no control panel on the chassis. It's all controlled via the remote, although you can use an app on your iPhone or Android device to control this as well. The next negative that we already talked about is that the Netflix app is not natively supported, though again, you can sideload it if needed. The remote control lacks a backlight, which might be troublesome when you're using it in the dark. It has a single HDMI input. And also, one feature that the Samsung Freestyle has that the XGIMI Elfin does not is that the Freestyle has an ambient mode, which allows the Freestyle to project lighting effects such as banners that say Happy Birthday, Happy New Year, or so, lava lamp effects, as an example. You can also upload your own pictures and create a slideshow. Finally, it doesn't have a USB-C input, which the Samsung Freestyle does, which doesn't allow it to easily use a portable battery to independently power this device. In conclusion, here's a comparison of the different features the XGIMI Elfin and the Samsung Freestyle projectors have. At $649, the Elfin is an all-in-one home cinema in a portable package that allows the buyer to easily build a home-style FHD theater almost anywhere they want to go. For the price, I would definitely recommend the XGIMI Elfin over the Samsung Freestyle. If you like this video and want to keep up with more device reviews, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks again for watching. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.